see.
So these guys
had a rough life.
These guys got into a bad bum fight, and the dude killed his friend. That's savage. Way to go, homie.
He's trying to steal his powers. Clearly.
Steal his powers.
That's how you steal people's powers. You kill them and then you eat their flesh.
Is that what you think happened, or is happening?
And then Bert's over here yelling at me not to point.
Pointing at them, dude.
Can you see out of his windows?
It doesn't matter. They can feel it. Okay. It's
okay, yeah. So you're worried about some bum now.
Well, okay. What happened?
It doesn't
it's a superstition thing. Okay. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna get cursed, and I'm gonna have to go buy a chicken and kill it and like run it over you and shit. And I don't want to do any of that shit anymore.
Marcus, the fact that they're homeless that does not mean they don't have feelings, right?
Yeah, you can't just point at people, dude. You're gonna get a curse on you, and then
I already have 7 years bad luck. I already broke a mirror.
Oh, great.
7 years. How many years has it been?
Go to a bar and feed and supply. I gotta go buy a chicken for this.
You want to cut it?
Yeah, I gotta cut its throat and like some of it.
Eat the chicken. I don't care. Just don't get sick in my house, okay?
Well, you don't eat the chicken after.
Oh, okay. Well, whatever. Bleed the chicken out on your lap or something.
You gotta burn the chicken so all the curses go away.
Oh man. Oh man, Jack. How many men did you pick up in this car?
This thing sucks.
What do you mean, you don't like this?
This is a woman's car.
But look at the interior. It's so classy.
It screams estrogen.
Oh man. All right, let's go on the adventure.
All right, here we go. Of course, Shaw drags me on a freaking 100-mile trip with this monstrosity. And you know what that clanking and screaming is? It's a horse. Got him a horse.
This one's feisty.
Is this your new horse?
Yeah.
You gonna play polo with this one?
No, this one jumps.
You don't like jumping polo horses?
I'm gonna jump over the moon with this one. This one's gonna.
Okay, well.
It's kind of feisty.
We got another one.
Another one.
Another one.
You guys want to buy a horse? You let me know.
Oh, you selling this one cheap?
Well, not cheap. Well, it depends on what you guys can cheap.
75 grand?
I might need 100 for this one.
A hundo?
You know how high this one jumps? Look at this. Look at this.
I don't know how
these
high.
Legs. Look at this perfectly round butt.
Oh yeah. You know what? These perfectly round other horses want some food.
No, they know there's another horse. You want to see how crazy they are?
Yeah.
Look, they're all gonna make noises like, oh, who are you?
This is fun. I'm staying behind here. Woo! You guys excited? You guys excited? Look, you got a friend. You got you a friend. Look at you. You got a friend in the same color.
Oh, the two white ones.
Oh, this is love at first sight. That's what this is.
That one's pregnant.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when she's just about 1 month pregnant.
Well, she looks like she's fixing to get pregnant again here.
Right.
With this stud.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
look at it.
Oh, they're cheating. Oh, no. This one's pissed. You like that one better?
Oh, no.
Horse love.
Look, everyone's so mad.
You got anything to say about this?
Breed responsibly. I don't even know what noise that was. Sounded like a donkey. I don't know, guys. I don't know.
All right, so I got the clutch for the jog, and I went ahead and put it in. I got the belt and also got a tire for it. So the tire that I got is considerably larger than the factory one. So no longer I have that little tiny wagon wheel tire. I mean, it's still pretty small, but this is a 3.5 by 10. So I also picked up a Chesty, which is like GoPro mount. So that way I can see if I can get another angle to show you guys while I'm riding. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount that up, and I'm gonna start dialing in this setup now with this clutch and tire and everything. My hopes on this was just really to handle a little bit more power, which is the two-shoe stock clutch is notorious for not being able to do. And then I put the the belt on because the belt is a little bit longer, which allows more variation. So it should keep me in gear or in variation a little bit longer, hoping to be cruising at a little bit higher top speed, and the tire as well, which will also alter the gearing. So between those items, I should have a reasonable bump in gearing. I'm not expecting the moon, but what I was noticing before is at 60 miles per hour, I was hitting about 10,000 RPM, which is too high for the stock crankshaft. So now with these mods in place, I'm hoping to be down around 9,000 RPM, maybe a little bit less, a little bit more, depending on, you know, where it actually settles in. But if I can cruise, if I can get to 60 at 9,000 RPM, somewhere in that range, then I know that what I've done worked really well, and that will help protect it and allow me to continue to just stay wide open for as long as I want. So I'm just gonna take a little cruise, trying out the new camera, trying out the new setup, just to make sure. Oh, the other thing I did too was I put in a slightly lighter roller. I put in 6-gram rollers. The factory ones are 6.9 or 7 gram. So I put in some 6-gram rollers to bring the RPM down during variation. So when I first whack it and I start to go, the throttle is gonna be wide open, but the RPM with this setup would be probably around 7,000 RPM, somewhere in that range. With the 6-gram rollers, I want it to be around 8,000 RPM. So that's the sweet spot. This thing's making all the power at 8,000. If I keep it at 8,000 and then over rev to 9, then it's gonna be a happy camper. So let's give it a shot. All right, so that was the footage with the Chesty. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you want to see more of those videos, let me know. Just wanted to add one more extra element to the motovlog factor of these videos. So, Chesty mount, GoPro Hero session, pretty solid combo, I think. And let's see what the video looks like. I mean, you already saw the video. I hope you liked the video.